Walker LED headlights allow you to safely operate your Walker mower when natural lighting is low. Don't let dusk, nighttime, or early mornings stop you from being productive at any time of the year. Walker LED headlights feature 5 LED lamps each, producing 900 lumens of illumination per headlight. Durable cast aluminum housings. Light guards and shock mount installation protecting your headlights, mower, and landscaping from accidental contact. And full weather sealing, keeping your headlights operational in all seasons for years on end. Installation includes a convenient on-off switch to quickly light up your surroundings. The lights are positioned to illuminate the front and sides of the mower deck or seasonal add-on, providing increased situational awareness and safety for both the operator and bystanders, while providing necessary light for mowing, snow removal, or other versatile operation. Available in 4 mounting configurations, there's an LED headlight kit customized for your Walker mower. LED headlights are also included on all operator cabs. Walker LED headlights will allow you to stay productive at any hour of the day and any season of the year. Contact your local Walker dealer or visit walker.com for more details.